How to fix iPhone apps crashing after iOS update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch the app in which you're having the issue, then force close it. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, close the app and again relaunch it. Continue this process for several times. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is launch your app store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find the option of update all. Click on that. With this, the apps that has update will be updated. Then you can close this. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check your storage in your device. For that, launch settings, click on the option general. Click on the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can upload or delete the unused apps. Just launch any of the app that you are not using, click on upload or delete. Once you clear out your storage, this might fix your issue as well. Likewise, head back. Now what you have to do is click on the option software update. If any new updates are available, you can just update it to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, head back, scroll down, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings and go through the process. So these are some fixes for iPhone apps crashing after iOS update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.